AAA Farms, Marianna, Florida, 19-1. Be around 40-42 steers. AAA Farms, Marianna, Florida, 19-1. Around 40-42 steers. Not selling the heifers right now. Around 57. AAA Farms, Marianna, Florida, 19-1. AAA Farms, 19-1. Around 40-42 steers. Weaned around August the 5th. Deliver around October the 12th. They have 65 plus days on them.
Well, just looking there, it's gonna be the two.
Really nice set of No. 1 muscle, medium and large frame steers. Be somewhere around 47 black, white face, 3 or 4 reds. AAA Farms, 19-1, Andy Andration. And is finally retired from the extension. AAA Farms, Marianna, Florida. Again, the cattle will be weaned around August the 5th, delivered August the 12th, be 65 plus days before they get on the truck. AAA Farms, Marianna, Florida, Andy Andration. AAA Farms. Again, the cattle will be sorted according to weight, and he does a real good job preconditioning the calves. Really nice set calves once they go through the weaning process, preconditioning process. AAA Farms, Andy Andration, 19-1, Marianna, Florida.